Good morning, and welcome to this 10-minute yoga flow to wake up and feel so good in your body. Hug the knees into the chest, lying on your back to begin with today. Then straighten your right leg out, pull your left knee as close to the chest as you can, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. Begin to deepen your breath, breathing in and out the nose. Every inhalation expanding the breath all the way down into the belly. Filling the lungs from left to right, forwards and backwards. Then shift the hips, allow the left knee to glide over towards the right, opening the arms out wide. We have a gentle practice today to lovingly open up the body and to feel so peaceful. Slowly rolling over onto your side, grab your left heel and pull your left heel in towards your backside. Release the foot. Bring the heels out towards the side. We're making a banana shape. Scooch around so both sitting bones are on the mat and feel the nice stretch from the left hip all the way up the left side body to the left elbow. Release the arms. Bend your knees, bring your heels in towards your bum. Straighten your arms with a straight spine. Slowly press the hips up, roll one shoulder underneath and then the other, interlacing the fingers. Imagine there's a block in between your thighs and you're squeezing the thighs toward one another, pressing more into the arms, lifting the heart, spreading across the chest. Slowly unwind and unravel the shoulders, lowering down. Allow the knees to fall toward one another and the sacrum, the low back, to grow heavy and relaxed. Coming back up, heels in line with the knees, pressing the arms into the mat, lifting the hips, engaging the inner thighs, keeping the knees directly over the ankles. Slowly relaxing and releasing one vertebrae at a time back down towards the mat, allowing the knees to rest toward one another. Then straighten your left leg out, pull your right knee in towards your chest. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. And are you still breathing? Breathing deeply in and out the nose here. Shift the hips to the right. Allow the knee to fall to the left, opening the arms out wide. Stretching the left arm up overhead, roll onto your left side and pull the right heel in towards your backside, opening the chest and the right thigh, the right upper leg. Roll back down onto your back, pulling the knees into the chest and roll up, bringing your feet together for Baddha Konasana, folding forward any amount. Repeating the affirmation today: I am peaceful, balanced, calm. I am peaceful, balanced, calm. Rising up, bringing your knees back behind you. Coming into hands and knees. And curl the toes under, press the hips back, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Look at your hands, make sure your fingers are spread really wide apart to protect your wrists. And then widen and spread across the shoulders. Inhale, step the feet to the hands. Lengthen the spine, fingertips to the thighs, and forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. Exhale your hands to your heart. Taking one deep breath, step back with the right foot, come up on the right toes. The left knee is directly over the left ankle. Inhale, stretch the arms up, straighten that back leg, and then exhale, bend the knee down towards the mat, hands to the heart. Inhale, stretch and strengthen, straighten the right leg. Exhale, bend the knee, hands to the heart. Moving with the breath here. Every inhalation, you straighten the leg, lift the arms. Every exhalation, bend the knee towards the mat, hands to heart. Bringing your fingertips to the floor, softly lower your right knee down to the floor. Extend the right arm forward. Bring the elbow to the outside of the left knee. Hands pressed together, twist open. Revolve your gaze and your heart up and towards the left. Unravel the pose, straighten the front leg. Flex your toes towards you and keep a micro bend in the knee here as you fold forward over your leg. Rebend into the front knee, step your right foot forward to the left, sweep the arms out and up, hands to heart. Stepping back with your left foot this time, coming up on your left toes. Make sure your hips are level, and then inhale, straighten the arms out and up. Exhale, bend the knee towards the mat, hands to heart. Every time you come up, strengthen and straighten the back leg. Every exhale, bend the knee down towards the mat to hover. Lowering softly the knee to the mat, lengthen your left arm forward and bring the elbow to the outside of the knee, twisting open to the right. Release the hands back down to the mat, straighten your right leg, flex your toes towards you, and fold forward. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, keeping your right heel in line with your right hip. Reground into the front foot. Curl the back toes under, step the feet together. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale your hands to your heart. I'll turn around to face you. I'm mirroring you. Pull your right knee in towards your chest. Press down through the left heel. Release the foot and slowly switch sides, pulling your left knee in towards your chest, relaxing your shoulders away from your ears. Release the pose, hands to the heart, to the third eye. Wishing you a beautiful day. Namaste.